Hey, how's it going, guys? It's me, Jay Crody, bringing you guys how to fix your PS4 controller problems. See here, I got the PS4 controller. Now, here's my situation. Turns on, right? Now, once it just shows this, it's like a white light. In person, it looks like it's a light blue. That happens. It should show me like the accounts, right? Like the accounts that I should connect to. No option. It just stays light blue. Now, light blue or white. Now, I connect it. I connect it to the PS4 wire that they gave us, and still nothing. I push the PlayStation button, I hold it for 3 seconds or a couple seconds, and nothing. Nothing. Now, I researched and found out that there's a reset button right here in the back. That little, right next to the little bolt, yeah, that little empty black hole, that's a reset button. So, what you're gonna do is poke at it. You're gonna poke it, it's a button. And what I have is a paper clip. Now, you need anything that could fit in and, apply pressure. Make sure it doesn't get stuck, though. Now, you're just going to simply press that button. Now, once you push the button, it should go black, but then it should still show that it's charging because of the PS4 wire. Okay. Now, you hold it, right? Nothing. Still nothing. Still get nothing. Nothing. Okay. So what I'm gonna do now is unplug it from the back, the power off the wall. Now, I'm gonna plug it back in. Okay. Now that I have it plugged back in, the controller's off, everything's off. Should reset. Oh, I hope it resets. Okay. Let's see. Now, according to the research that I've done, it should, please, for the love of God, it should take me straight to the main menu. Controller's starting to charge, but then it fades away. I don't know. See this? Updating. Or not updating, it's resetting the storage, checking on it and see if it's working and whatnot. So hopefully, just hopefully, it should work. Almost there. Almost there. Okay. So now, still no lighting. It's white. Nothing on the monitor. It's kind of scaring me. Oh, blue. And this again. And nothing. Alright. PlayStation symbol. So far, so good. Still blue. And any progress? Nothing. Nothing at all. I don't know what's going on, guys. Okay. Okay. Turn it on. Okay, now I got some reacting to it. Okay. Connect. Bam. Problem solved. See, that was the problem I had. Couldn't connect. It couldn't really connect. I don't know why. It just shut down on me, like when I was in the middle of COD Black Ops, because everyone plays Black Ops. But yeah, I don't get it. It wasn't just working. I don't know what's going on. I didn't know what was going on until I looked it up. Now hopefully, I hope this helped you guys. I got my controller back to working. I don't have to worry about it. And if it happens again, I'll just do the same thing. All right. Well, this has been your boy, Jay Crody. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a like, shows your support, and subscribe, because why not? Peace, guys.